Hello everyone, welcome to Gorinayak Tutorials, the official YouTube channel. A thief came to my home. He is eating an apple. The thief who came to my home yesterday has found dead in an accident. Burj Khalifa is the tallest building in the world. What I have used in all these four examples? I have used articles. Then what is article? Article is a word which is placed before a noun. My dear students, in this class we are going to study about articles. In articles, two types. One is indefinite articles. Indefinite articles are a, and, which we use before a singular noun. Second type article, the, definite article. The definite article we use before a specific person or a place. My dear students, to understand articles, we need to have the knowledge of English sounds. We use an article before a vowel sound, not vowel before a vowel sound. For example, he is eating an apple. A boy is running. A cat is jumping. Yes? In these articles, we are going to study about definite article, where we understand first one trick that is called broad map. Using this acronym or trick, you can comprehend when to use article the. B for books. Books like holy books, the Ramayana, the Bible, the Quran, the Guru Granth Sahib. Here, the Ramayana, the Bible. Whenever you want to talk about these books before noun, you should use article the, definite. For example, he is reading the Ramayana. The Ramayana is the epic of India. Let's talk about next one, B. B for rivers. We have several rivers, perennial and non-perennial rivers we have in India. For example, the Ganga. The Ganga is one of the holiest river in India. The Ganga river. Everybody wish to visit the Ganga. Next we have O. O for what? Ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers. Ordinal number. Ordinal number means ranks. Students, we give ranks. Yes? What are ranks? First, second, third, and so on. Let us see one example. Yuvraj Singh is the first batsman who hit 6 sixes. Yes? He is the first person. The first. I stood second rank in running competition. We use article the before ordinal numbers. Yes? One more letter we have here. Adjective. Adjective third form. What is adjective third form. We know adjectives, positive, comparative and superlative. Superlative, third form. Superlative. For example, I'll write one adjective here. Tall, taller and tallest. Superlative degree. Yes. Whenever you want to talk about third form of adjective, superlative degree, you must use article the. For example, in my beginning of this video, I have given an example. Burj Khalifa is the tallest building in the world. One more example. The boy is the tallest in the class. Yes. Let's go ahead. D. D for directions. Directions. North, south, east, west. These are the directions. Vasco da Gama started sailing towards the southwest of India. Vasco da Gama started sailing towards the southwest of India. He is going to the north. He is coming towards the south. Like this we use article the before any directions. Let's talk about next one. Yum. It's very important. Musical instrument. Musical instruments. Musical instruments like piano, guitar. Whenever you want to talk about these words, you have to use the before. The boy can play the piano. He is playing the guitar. Next one. Letter A. Already mentioned. Already mentioned. What is already mentioned? In my beginning of the video, I have used one example. A thief came to my home. Which thief? I don't know. The thief even didn't tell his name also. Let me write that example. A thief, article indefinite. A thief came to my home. My home. Yes, I have already mentioned about a thief. A thief came to my home yesterday. The thief has found dead in an accident. I repeat, a thief who came to my home yesterday, the thief has found dead in an accident. So I am talking about the same thief who came to my home yesterday in my next sentence. The thief has found dead in an accident. Okay. I hope you have clear with this. Last we have peculiar things. Peculiar things. Peculiar things like the sun, the moon. When you wish to talk or when you wish to give an example of one thing its kind. For example, the sun is moving. The earth is moving. For example, very often example in school we have learned this one. The earth moves around the sun. Yes? Well guys, we have studied about articles, indefinite, and definite article, the, when to use. In my next video, I will talk about when not to use article, the. Until then, keep learning, happy learning.